Welcome to our Blank Collar Meetup on Artificial Intelligence. My name is Alexia Vitasse, and I'll host you tonight for our meetup. At the Blank Collar, we focus on emerging trends and technologies and try to figure out how they're going to impact society and how they shape the future of work. And tonight, we're going to focus on artificial intelligence.
And machine learning is an incremental part of that phone and that experience, as you well described. I think this will evolve over time, but we in research are looking very much into is how will interfaces happen in the future? Will it still be a screen we're connecting to? Most probably not. So most probably will be some kind of speaker microphone situation where you can interact with that becomes as the new normal, as the new extended U or interface. And yes, so it's already part of us in our lives with advances still yet to come.
AI enabling us as a company, as humans, as society in the next, because we cannot talk again about the next 5 to 10 years, that's too far away. What's happening in the next 2 or 3 years?
Well, I'm talking about what's going to happen in 5 or more years. Or maybe it's going to happen earlier, but when it comes to my work, talking about marketing, for example, I believe, and we're actually already working on that, that an AI will have all the information and the knowledge to deliver the right message at the right time to the right person. And all that I need to do is give some kind of input and do the creative work that the AI can't do yet.
So let me ask the final question for right now. Like, let's start with you, Sandra. Will AI help us to become better, to have a better life? How do you think it's going to help us as a person, but also at work, to become better and with doing less, but creating more?
I see it a bit like in sailing. If you have a really strong wind, like an orkan type of wind, and you're capable of navigating to your benefit, with your sailing boat, it can be such a powerful tool, and you do with it whatever you want. You go wherever you want. However, if you don't know how to deal with it, it's going to be a backfire and potentially harmful.
There was a time when I thought I could look into the future. I could clearly see what's coming, and this has changed about 2 years ago. And the development is so fast. I can't believe how many applications of AI there are already and how many conferences. I was yesterday at a conference. The last 2 weeks, I think I was at 5 conferences about AI, and I saw all those different applications. It's just unbelievable how fast this happened or is happening. And I wouldn't make any prediction about or forecast about what's going to be in 2 years.
Because it's not possible.
First time in my life I have the feeling I have no idea.
And I think, maybe to add, AI is kind of the basement for all the other technologies to have really drivers. So with the advances of how you can process data and make systems learn how to react, that's basically the basis for everything else.
This is something that I believe also myself. AI is going to make us human again. Because if you think about it, people were humans before. Then came the industrial revolutions where we became robots, and everybody had to be one purpose, one problem. You have to solve it, and AI is going to enable us to become generalists again, humans again. Because a human is not somebody who's going to only do one thing. A human is somebody who is going to do lots of things, because this is how we are. I think we can stop it on this. Is AI makes us again human.